Technology is a critical component in helping to produce the world's food supply. A degree in precision ag technology from Mitchell Tech will open doors to graduates who want to work in this ever-changing industry.
I've always been around agriculture, and I've always wanted to learn all the new technology that is going into it, be the first one there to get all the brand new stuff.
Typical day in the lab is coming down here, and last year we worked on a Veris cart, so just kind of doing troubleshooting, diagnostics, and then in the classroom it's a really fun atmosphere.
Precision ag is all about working with monitors, all the new technology, drones, the agronomy side, working with plant science and soil science and stuff like that.
With access to millions of dollars of high-tech equipment, you'll learn to plan, plant, cultivate, and harvest crops. We're talking incredibly sophisticated precision technology.
Expanding technology is what got me into it. Every day there's something new to learn.
We got some VR goggles that we use for drone flying. You can view through the drone camera, through the goggles, and fly around that way.
We like to analyze and collect the data from the yield monitors through the combines, and then we're working with SMS and Trimble Ag FarmWorks. That's the two big data management programs we're working with. You get to work on the newest and the best machinery that a lot of companies have to offer.
Grow your own success in precision ag technology.
The Precision Ag program is a way to get a good job. I think that's what we're doing here.
Learn more at mitchelltech.edu.